this is Charlie at Alcoa Good Times. We're talking about the Garmin Zumo XT, new motorcycle GPS from Garmin. Had a little help from Karen from Garmin on this, and our IT guy Lewis helped me with this, but we had some problems when we were trying to download tracks from Basecamp onto our Garmin XT. It kind of kept shutting down Basecamp. So we kind of have an alternate method for doing that. And we're really just using Windows File Manager. So we've opened up the Garmin in File Manager, and let's go back here, and you'll see where we're at. This is the Garmin internal storage. We're double clicking on that. We're opening up the GPX files here, and then we opened up from Basecamp. I saved the tracks just to my documents file here, and I've got it open in another window. And we're just going to click on it and drag on it. But make sure you open it in the documents file, in the exact file that it's in. When you get these big logos right here for these GPX tracks, and you want to get it in this format where it looks like this, and then you can just click on it and drag, and then just drop it onto your Garmin like that. It loads up on your Garmin. And now I can import this when I unplug my Garmin and power it up normally. I can unplug it and import the GPS tracks. But that's how we're doing it here at Alcoa Good Times, and thank you so much for watching.